Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back, guys. Do me a favor before we get started. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? All right, real quick. I'm back with some more results. Just want to show you that Newbies on Fire is getting a lot of momentum because it's a great opportunity, a great way to learn how to make money online. It is very affordable for everybody, okay? You can get started for low as $25. We have the $25, we have $100, we have $250 and $500, okay? These are courses. That's what you're getting. You're going to obtain courses and access to digital training to show you how to make money online. And they have this great Facebook page. It's called the Facebook Code. This page is allowing people to go into the Facebook group so that they can see that actual real people are making money with this program, okay? So at any rate, I just introduced it to you guys because I've only been in it now, 2 days, and I'm getting a lot of feedback from it. People are calling, people are emailing. I see opt-ins are coming through, and then I saw a payment that came in actually while I was sleeping at 3 o'clock in the morning, okay? So this is definitely, and I never talked to anybody. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. You can make money on autopilot. You can make money in your sleep. And I have some marketing strategies I'm going to share with you, as well as give you some ad copy that you can use. Okay, so let me just show you that real quick. And I'm going to put the link below. Go ahead and get started with me. If you go ahead and come in at that $500 level, I'm going to go ahead and get some traffic over to your link right away. Okay, as soon as we can get a spot with the vendor that I use, I'm going to do that for you so you can start getting leads into your funnel immediately. Okay, all right, so let me just show you some more results with this. Okay, hang on one second. Okay, so take a look to the right. Okay, at 2:58 a.m. okay, I was asleep, and it shows you 6 more members have joined. Okay, look at that right there. Fire, you're on fire is what it says. And it shows you the number of people. And then right above that, it says payment received. You have received a product payment at 3:08 a.m. Okay, I was asleep. And above that, the first line, it says 10 more leads have come into this funnel. Okay, so this is a great system. It converts, guys. Okay, like I said, I've been testing a couple of the pages, and this is what the results are, and it's just going to get better as it progresses. Okay, and I'll be coming back showing you guys updates, but Newbies on Fire. Okay, so like I said, I've got some ad copy that I'm going to share with you, and some traffic sources that I'm using for this. That's in addition to what the company is going to be giving you far as training is concerned. All right, guys, go ahead and click that link below. Get started with me in Newbies on Fire. Reach out to me if you have any questions after you have actually opted into the page and checked out the video. Okay, I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. See you guys on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.